Then what you want to do is squeeze a little bit out. Put it on the Q-tip. And right where the brake pad slides at, you want to put that at. Do not get it on the rotor. Just where the brake pad is going to slide at. Alright. And you notice, okay, the new brake pads, make sure your brake pads you have these anti-brake shims on the back. That stops it from squealing. Alright, so, and some of them has little wear sensor on it. So these things will squeal once you get low on the brakes. Now the outboard doesn't have it, so we're going to be using this one. And that's all you do, is put it in there.